So on the Tempest here, we've got a battery disconnect. Pulled out is the battery on, pushed in, battery off. Battery and fuel cell are in the trunk. Take the little fittings, turn them, they unlock, and then you can lift the whole trunk lid off. And here's pretty easy. You're gonna flip the switch for ignition, fan, and then the keys over here in factory spot. When you want to shut it down, turn the fan off and the key off. Shifter, if you're not familiar with it, pull up on this lever to get it out of park. So now you're in reverse. If you want to go down to drive, you just neutral. There you go. Coming back, use that handle till you get there. It has a reverse lockout, so it won't go any further until you push down this, push that down, and then it'll go back into reverse and back into park. That's pretty much it.